Hello, my name is Stewart, and I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today I'm outside the Mill Creek area here, Snohomish area, and this is a specimen garden that I work on. It's regularly on the garden tours, but all the garden tours have been stopped this year. So I have the privilege of coming in here and working on a lawn renovation with the client. And I just wanted to show you, it's one of the pleasures of having a business like I have here and why I love it so much. Every day I'm on a new property and see interesting new things. I've been on this property probably 7 or 8 times at least in the past. And but this is how it looks today. This is an organic lawn. I put on my 545 organic fertilizer with 39% rock minerals in there. And put on my good grass seed, 60-40. 60% perennial ryegrass, 40% fescue, sun to shade. And yeah. And this is just another gorgeous yard I get to work on today, and it's a privilege. And I'm glad to be employed, and I'm glad to help people out. Once again, this is Stewart with the Aerating-Thatching company. And I appreciate all the employment that I get. And yesterday I had the privilege of working around a private duck pond, and that was really cool too. Once again, this is Stewart. Thanks for watching my video. Bye-bye.